Well, here's a view from our Tuscaloosa Woods and Water camera on this lovely Sunday evening. We are enjoying some beautiful weather out there, and Sky Vision brought to you by Jack, showing all blue skies. Same in Birmingham, view from Children's of Alabama, and we got a lot of sunshine beaming down on the camera over in Aniana. That's over at the Blount County Courthouse, but overall, lots of sunshine out there today. Good afternoon, Fox 6 meteorologist Wes White. I hope you've had a wonderful weekend. This has been a great weekend, and it seems like we're jumping into summertime mode here because it is certainly feeling hot out there, and we're seeing some big-time heat building off to the west of us. In fact, I was just checking some numbers here. This is going to be the warmest day, the hottest day of 2014 in our area so far. Just noticing temperatures in the upper 80s in a few spots. So tomorrow may top that. We may even have hotter temperatures. Now, looking at this national temperature map, you see Wichita there at 98. During the last hour, I saw 102 degrees there. Some folks already reaching 100. So, again, some really hot weather building there off to the west of us. And we're going to get a taste of that over the next couple of days. Next 12 hours for us, though, very pleasant evening. Maybe you're going to do a little bit of chilling and grilling. You are in good shape through the early evening hours with those temperatures tumbling into the low 70s by 10 o'clock. Not nearly as chilly tonight with those lows near 59 across the area, maybe some mid-50s to the northeast, but I think we can say so long to those 40s across the area. No clouds to talk about. A high pressure, strong high centered off to the south of us across the Gulf of Mexico, and that's going to keep us basically cloud free for the next couple of days, and really nothing to slow this cooling process. So tomorrow, I think there's a good chance we'll see a lot of 90s out there. In fact, our weather watcher Anthony McDonald just checked in with 90 degrees in Vernon, Alabama, so we'll probably see more of those reports scattered across the map tomorrow. So just want to throw the main weather maker on the map here for you. You see we got that high to the south of us. The general flow around that surface high will start to transport a little bit of moisture our way by Wednesday and Thursday. Notice that we get more of a southwest wind component in the mix. Tomorrow, if we do see 90 this week, a greater chance, I think, tomorrow and Tuesday, we get an upper level ridge, a little bit of more moisture in the air, and that may keep us right there in the upper 80s by Wednesday and Thursday. Maybe a few fair weather clouds during the afternoon, but hey, rain holds off. We're probably going to have to put a little water on the yard later on in the week because we're talking about rain holding off until Friday at the earliest. We could see some showers back in here by Friday night. You see this upper air ridge that's going to build overhead, the little kink northward there in those height contours across the southeast. So that's going to be the main culprit for making it feel a little hot and a bit more humid by Wednesday and Thursday. Hot and humid, a combination that we haven't heard in quite a while. But here's the next system we're watching. We'll talk a lot more about this on the news tonight at 9. I do think we'll see some severe weather out of this system across places like northeast Texas, stretching northward to Iowa. But as that system gets closer to us, it does weaken a bit into the weekend. And the models have done the typical flip-flop. Now we're seeing Friday night and possibly into early Saturday for the rain to move in, and then maybe some lingering showers during the day on Saturday. But we'll get a fresh batch of model data to check out tonight at 9 and 10 o'clock on Fox 6, so join us then. Look at the temperature right now, showing 91 in Vernon, 90 degrees in Jasper, 87 in Tuscaloosa. So a hot day, hot afternoon, and lows tonight you see right there in the 50s. Quite a warm-up already. Hey, pollen levels. We've been talking about tree pollen on the high side. Grass pollen levels also picking up now, so another troublemaker in the mix with respect to the pollen. And then you'll notice the UV index staying very high. Pack on the sunscreen with all this sunny weather over the next few days. Maybe a few more clouds. We'll get some of that natural sunscreen back in the mix later on this week. Tonight, 59, and the sky remaining cloud-free tonight, and more sunny weather tomorrow. Keep those shades handy, 89 for an afternoon high temperature. So very warm, and again, some 90s possible. So get ready for some hot weather, a bit of a taste of summertime. But do join us, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock tonight. A lot more on that next rainmaker and our thunderstorm chances heading into next weekend. Any questions about the forecast? Wes Wyatt, Fox 6. Twitter at Wes Wyatt Weather. You catch some beautiful pictures, weather pics to share with us during this nice pattern that we're dealing with right now. Be sure to share some of those with us, and you can also share those with me on social media. I'll see you back on Fox 6 tonight at 9 o'clock.